This is one of my most unique paintings and therefore I decided to get it patent. But after reading Indian Patent Act 1970, I soon realized that this wonderful painting cannot be patent. Patent refers to the right given to an innovator for his innovation of a new, useful, non-obvious process, machine, article of manufacture or composition of matter. Here non-obvious means that the invention must be a significant improvement to the previous one. Composition of matter refers to a specific formulation or dosage of chemicals used to generate a material or process. Patent requires an invention to solve a technical problem or have some practical utility, which is not the case with paintings. But this did not deter me from filing for intellectual property right for my painting, and soon I realized that I can file for copyright. But God has another plans for me. One of my friends told me that I appreciate the artist in you, but you cannot even file for copyright because this painting has already been created by Majnu Bhai in 2007. In India, copyright is governed by the Indian Copyright Act 1957. Copyright covers literary work, dramatic work, artistic work, films, sound recording, and architectural work. Copyright arises automatically when a work is created and fixed in a tangible form. Registration of copyright is optional but can aid enforcement. Since copyright does not require any registration, copyright for this painting was automatically created in 2007 when knowingly or unknowingly Majnu Bhai created this masterpiece. In fact, copyright is protected for lifetime plus another 60 years from the death of the original creator.